Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another food review. Because look what I got right here. Look, a Hostins Ding Dong on cake. Look, mini cake. So with chocolate cake with white frosting in it, with cream inside. So let's give this a try. Here we go. Mmm. The cream tastes pretty good. Now let's finish this off. The chocolate tastes okay, and the whipped cream inside, I give it 8 out of 10 for the Hostins Ding Dong on chocolate cakes. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite dessert from Hostins? Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, guys, I will see you all next time. Have a good day. Have a good night.